thankfully the electricity problems in Nigeria have been fixed for now. So it's good to just go back to making videos. Now, the reason why these videos are made is because some people might find it harder um, to follow text. So I think pages are just a good alternative. So we've talked about the Euclid's algorithm last week. This week we'll be looking at the Python programming language. Of course, once again, there's already a link to learn Python in 1 week in the files for the Telegram group. So if you're already on the Telegram group, you should have the book, you should have read it. This is just more of a catch up for certain people that might find this videos better than reading for them. The first thing is Python. This is python.org, is where you can download a copy of Python. There's a previous video that already covers this. Now, if you have a mobile device, the best software to use is CubePython 3. It also comes in for iOS, and I have also done a link on how to install it here. Now, what is Python used for? Python is a programming language that finds its strength in data sciences and machine learning, and that's this here. But like a friend of mine used to say, Python is the second best language for everything. So it does web development, it does desktop development, it does game development, it does mobile development. But it finds its strength when you get into the realm of data science and machine learning. This course will be looking at the Python programming language. We'll try and start from scratch. We will go into the work that is meant for week 2. I admit readily that we are behind on the videos, and I will do my best that we catch up this week. God willing, next week will be Christmas, and I'm hoping we can do something for the holidays. For now, just take care of yourself and have a good night.